You must have often heard people saying, "क्या आपकी खेलने की उम्र है?" But when it comes to pickleball, one can easily defy age. And you can see here the three medalists in 50 plus category are right now with me. इरादे नेक हो तो सपने भी साकार होते हैं. अगर सच्ची लगन हो तो रास्ते भी आसान होते हैं. And that is what all three of them have proved. And here's is a bronze medalist. He's 57-year-old. And look at his Jazba Janoon. Well, while he was playing the match on the court, even he can make the youngsters run for the ball. वो क्या जज्बा? What is that jazba that keeps you playing this game?
I think this game is such a social game and such an interactive game that I think, at home also I play with my wife, my daughters, my son-in-law. So it's such a family game that I think it really drives that entire, enthusiasm. And that's why I think pickleball is going to be the next great sport. Even the tennis stars are so much scared about pickleball now taking over the whole thing. Even Djokovic has made some statements about that. So I think this is a game that everybody should start playing. And I think I'm going to really, I just started 1 year back, Bipin Meninia, and I plan to play it even beyond when I go 60 and 70. Because this game, if you see in the US, they have categories of 80 plus and 90 plus, which is so amazing. You can't expect people of 80 plus, 90 plus, your grandmothers and grandfathers playing this game. And that's what I think is driving me also, in this game. This game is really not very difficult on your knees, not very difficult on your body. And it's a really social game which really drives this particular
When you
thing.
got pulled towards this game, when exactly you decided that you have to play this game?
I saw some YouTube videos in the US about this game, and somehow I think I got really attracted to that. I thought this is a game that I should pick up. I had a badminton court at home, so I just converted that into a pickleball, and then I started playing the game slowly. It was highly addictive, and today, if you ask me, half my videos that I see in a day, apart from my office work, is all about pickleball. So it's almost an addictive thing for me right now.
What is the response of your kids back home when they see the father playing this game?
Yeah, the kids, my daughter is very proud, my wife is very proud. I just won a silver medal in Bhubaneswar with my wife also in the mixed doubles. So she was very proud of it because that was her first medal in any particular sport.
Yeah, fantastic thing.
But I think it's a bit difficult to play with your family because I think you're so close to your family that you tend to fight a bit on the court.
That's a nice thing. Because the best thing about this game is this is not only about, it's all about building bridges, bonds, camaraderie. And it's also kind of a family game. We have got with us a silver medalist. Your good name, sir?
My name is Sanjay.
You belong to which place?
UP, Noida.
When you started playing this game?
Precisely in the month of May 2024, that makes it around 7-8 months, maybe? 7-8 months. So, yeah, it seems to be quite easy game because I have been playing a bit of tennis, a bit of badminton, a bit of TT, and it's a mixture of, I think, everything, and easy to pick up, especially for our tennis players. Yeah? We have a pro with us.
The best thing about this game is that they say there's a mix of everything. And when you can get the fun of 4 games in one, why not to try that game? That's one of the reasons that the people are getting pulled towards it. It's not basically, if you look at the court, it's not a court. It's basically, it's a kind of a magnetic field that is being weaved all around the court that pulls you towards that. Whether you are a spectator, whether you are a player, that's one of the reasons that it's picking up so fast. So what will be your message to the youngsters?
Well, see, this game is making the oldies a bit of young by playing it. So they are already young, and pickleball has a great future in India because, see, Agassi coming in India in Feb, he's coming, and pickleball is the future. Everybody is going to have pickleball, and it will slowly and steadily kill probably tennis.
But frankly speaking, when I looked at him and he said, I'm in the 50 plus category, I got the silver medal. I really wanted to see his certificate because he doesn't look 50 plus, he looks even 35 plus.
Yeah.
And we have here the bronze medalist also. Gold medalist. So I committed a mistake. So he is the star of the day. So how you're feeling winning the gold?
Very, very nice. I have played against a very new and upcoming player in the final, and kudos to you for reaching the final and defeating some very good players on the way. And Bipin sir has always been a challenge, and same was the case today.
When you started playing this game?
So I have now been playing pickleball for more than 2 years.
You belong to which place?
I stay in Delhi, Vasant Vihar, and we opened the first pickleball court in Vasant Vihar Club about 2.5 years back. And that's when we came to know that there is such a sport called pickleball. Before that, I used to play ITF Masters, just basically tennis.